My name is Richard Sparkman. I'm the IT director of Shelby American. When I walked in the door, Shelby American had all their accounting and everything on paper. They didn't have any computers. So I came in and I built servers, added workstations, completely computerized the entire company. The technology of the cars is greatly different than what it used to be. When I first started here, we were building Cobras and Series 1s. At the time, Series 1 was a supercar to compete with the Viper. It was the world's fastest production car at the time at over 200 miles an hour. But that business wasn't sustainable, so we moved into the modern era of Mustang. Well, when we first moved into this building, we had a projector and a 20-foot screen, exactly where our LED screen is today. So we weren't able to keep people's attention. When we did events in this space, we weren't able to give a good presentation because people couldn't see the screen. So that's why we started looking for an LED solution when we were redesigning this space. For the people who know all about Shelby American and know our history, we wanted to be able to present what we're doing today and what we're going to be doing tomorrow. A wide range of different types of vehicles that we're involved in today that they may not even be aware of. And for those who haven't been here before, this is our opportunity to show them what we're up to these days and why they should be interested in the Shelby American brand. It's a better way to cater to our guests and give them what they expect when they come into Shelby American. We're better prepared to promote and to conduct events in this space than we were before we had that LED screen in there. Before, when we had a projector screen, nobody even bothered to look at it. Now they're just enthralled with what we've been able to present to them. They're very impressed. They can see everything very clearly. It gets our message across. So we have to create a wider space so that our tours can have room to get by because so many people congregate right directly in front of the screen. We looked at 3 different companies and our choice was PixelFLEX, and we really feel like they were interested in our project. They took ownership of it as soon as we had made the decision to go with them, and right down the line. They were very professional, very prompt, very responsive, and they offered a great product at a great price, and they were very helpful throughout the entire process. Once we selected PixelFLEX, they helped us with all the technical specifications and all the exact, from no screen to what you see today in one day. So it's been a great experience. Well, we're very happy with the support, the service, and everything about our dealing with PixelFLEX in general. I would highly recommend PixelFLEX to anybody that's interested in this type of technology. And when we go to add more screens like this to our business here, we're definitely going to PixelFLEX.